I'm going to be playing a moving world with difficulty of easy. So let's go ahead and let's find out where you are. So for this round, we're going to be in Singapore. I did a Singaporean round previously and I showed you guys why Singapore is the way it is. I mean, it's just incredibly clean. We have yellow lines on the outside. We also have a lot of greenery everywhere. And what's unique to Singapore is this mark which says crossing. Okay, so it's a little bit unfair because I'm from Singapore, but I'm just going to be walking through this round from a very objective perspective on how you can actually 5k this. So once you figure out your level 1 and 2 clues, you know that you're in Singapore. What I want you to do is I want you to open up the map and I want you to zoom into that country. For Singapore, it's quite difficult to reach and guess, but at least we're still there. But yeah, if you can see, just take a look very quickly at your surroundings. So I want you to do two things. The first thing I want you to do is to note the landmarks and their approximate directions. So this can be the Central Business District, as you can see over here, which is in the northwest. So the Central Business District, the city, is located somewhere on the southern coast over here. So this is going to be the Central Business District. And once you see these row of buildings, you know they're going to be somewhere there. So this is in the northwest. So if you're unsure, the second thing that I want you to do is I want you to travel out and look for a road name. So if you can find a road name, you can then start to region guess and narrow your way down. Now I noticed, using my first tip, that in the distance there's a ramp going upwards. This is actually the Marina Bay Ferry or the cruise center. So it's where the Royal Caribbean comes and does like stops all around Asia. And I noticed that it's heading upwards, so this is probably going to be the exit. Yeah, it's going to be the exit. No, this is going to be the entrance. I'm so sorry. This is the entrance. So you go on the left side. So I'm going to just go over here. Quite interestingly, so Marina Bay Cruise Center in Singapore, and we know that to the northwest is going to be the Central Business District. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to line up the road. So the road is going in an approximately north-south direction. We see this roundabout over here. So yeah, it corresponds to this roundabout over here. But the car is basically just coming in and which is going to approximate. So it's going to be somewhere around here. Now we want to look at this line over here and want to make sure that we line it up properly so that we don't like make any mistakes. So it's going to be somewhere around here. That should be a 5k.